Pull it back all the way. Yep, so set it up. There's a button over here. Okay. Alright, so let's set it up again. Let's set up Dusty. No, you don't have to move that. You don't have to move that. You just put Dusty. You just stop. You just put Dusty on the track. And now you pull him. Pull. Theo, get your hand off of it. Okay. You gotta take turns. Okay? Okay, stop. Pull it all the way back. Pull.